Go! 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 Bruh! You don't need it. You already got a video.
He can send it to you.
You got a video.
He can send it. You can send it to you. Do a flip. You ain't about that life.
You ain't about that life.
Oh, hold on, I slowed down. Oh, shit.
We can see, but it'll still fly.
Do his ass dirty to me.
Okay.
Woo.
No, this nigga didn't just do. These motherfuckers athletic as shit.
You see that shit? He
see
did
that
that.
shit, bro?
He
You
did
see
that.
that?
What the
That
fuck?
shit right.
What
These
the fuck?
motherfuckers black.
These motherfuckers is wild.
Niggas.
Back to the show.
Motherfuckers and they got nerve to be 60 degrees. Motherfuckers come out in their shorts and they fucking
Cut off
green outfits and
t-shirts.
shit. Cut off t-shirts.
Looking like mint green Skittles.
Nigga got the Jamaican colors on.
Shit, don't hate motherfucker. I'm official. He mad.
We ain't gonna make it.
We ain't gonna make this.
You ain't about that life.
Ace Hood.
Okay, I can do that.
Oh, he did two.
No, he didn't say he can do that
He
shit
said two.
in this.
Oh.
Oh!
He didn't do three.
Oh!
No, hey,
Ah!
nigga, he did three.
Nigga, he did three.
He did two.
He
The other
did
nigga did three. These motherfuckers. I dropped my car keys.
Oh,
Thank you,
shit.
brother.
Motherfuckers
you
is
team
wild.
G-Shock too?
Hell yeah, all
Look
day,
at that
baby.
shit.
All
Look at
day,
that
my home.
shit.
Oh,
Black it
yeah,
on,
baby.
black it on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all retarded. We'll be ignorant. We'll be us.
Okay, let me call. Okay, this is the final trick because the nigga got places to go.
You feel me? I got a shot to take and a drive to make.
I got. There you go.
Hey, Pleasant said I just started the game. I can't finish. I done hit this motherfucker's truck twice now.
All right. This is the make
Hey,
this last one your
you
best
go
one.
back to the bags, right, motherfucker? You will see a Jeep on the curb, on the other side of the defect.
This is the grand finale.
Yeah, I did that.
Let's go. Let's go. Grand finale. Last trick.
I'll tell you about it. Woo! That motherfucker almost killed himself. Oh, damn. I'm done. I quit.